Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Hi viewers! In this video, we will learn about 50 commonly used words, and we will make 3 sentences from each word. Let's start now. This is an apple. I like to eat a red apple. The apple is sweet. She has an apple in her bag. This is a dog. The dog is friendly. I walk my dog daily. Dogs like to play fetch. This is a car. The car is fast. I drive to school in a car. Cars need fuel to run. This is a ball. The ball is round. I throw the ball to my friend. We play catch with a ball. This is a tree. The tree is tall. Birds make nests in trees. Trees give us shade. This is a book. I read a book every night. The book has many pages. Books help me learn new things. This is a house. My house is blue. We live in a cozy house. The house has a big garden. This is a cat. The cat is soft. My cat sleeps a lot. Cats like to chase mice. This is the sun. The sun is bright. It gets warm when the sun shines. We see the sun in the sky every day. It is raining. Rain makes everything wet. I like to jump in puddles when it rains. Rain helps plants grow. This is a bike. I ride my bike to the park. The bike has 2 wheels. Biking is fun on sunny days. This is a fish. Fish swim in the water. I have a fish in a tank. Fish live in the sea and rivers. This is a cake. The cake is sweet. I baked a chocolate cake yesterday. Cakes are great for birthdays. This is a flower. The flower is yellow. Flowers bloom in spring. Bees love flowers. This is a star. The star shines at night. I can see many stars in the sky. Stars twinkle far away. This is a bird. The bird flies in the sky. Birds build nests in trees. I hear birds singing in the morning. This is a chair. I sit on the chair. The chair is made of wood. There are 4 chairs at the table. This is a pen. I write with a blue pen. The pen is on the desk. Pens help me take notes. The water is in the bottle. I drink water when I'm thirsty. Water is essential for life. The river is full of clean water. This is a clock. The clock shows the time. I set the clock for 7 a.m. Clocks tick every second. This is a toy. My toy car is red. I play with toys every day. Toys make children happy. This is a cloud. Clouds float in the sky. The cloud is white and fluffy. Sometimes clouds bring rain. This is a bus. I take the bus to school. The bus is yellow. Buses stop at bus stations. This is a hat. I wear a hat when it's sunny. The hat keeps me cool. Hats come in many colors. This is a glass of milk. Milk is good for your bones. I drink milk in the morning. The cat likes to drink milk. This is a train. The train moves fast on the tracks. I traveled by train last weekend. Trains stop at stations. This is a shoe. I wear my shoes to walk. My shoes are black and comfortable. Shoes protect our feet. This is snow. Snow is white and cold. I like to make snowmen. The ground is covered with snow in winter. This is a beach. I love to visit the beach. The beach has soft sand. We play and swim at the beach. This is the moon. The moon is beautiful. It shines in the night sky. The moon changes shapes. This is a lamp. The lamp gives bright light. I turn on the lamp when it's dark. My lamp is on the table. This is a boat. The boat sails on the water. I went on a boat trip. Boats help us travel across rivers and seas. This is a door. I open the door to go outside. The door is made of wood. Doors keep our homes safe. This is a pencil. I draw with a pencil. The pencil has an eraser on top. Pencils are useful for writing. This is a lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Lions have big manes. I saw a lion at the zoo. This is a bag. I carry my books in a bag. The bag is heavy with books. My bag has a zipper and 2 straps. This is a bed. I sleep in my bed every night. The bed is soft and cozy. I made my bed in the morning. This is an egg. I had an egg for breakfast. Eggs are good for protein. The egg cracked when it fell. This is a window. I look out of the window. The window lets in sunlight. Birds fly near the window. This is a carpet. The carpet is soft and warm. I walk barefoot on the carpet. Our living room has a red carpet. This is a gift. I gave my friend a gift. The gift was wrapped in paper. She opened the gift with excitement. This is a cup. I drank water from a cup. The cup is made of glass. Cups are used for drinking tea. This is a map. I used a map to find my way. The map shows different countries. Maps help you explore new places. This is a bell. The bell rings loudly. I hear the bell at school. Bells are used to signal time. This is ice. The ice is cold. I put ice in my drink. Ice melts in the heat.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.